Whey, the liquid byproduct of milk curdling, is a treasure trove of proteins, lactose, minerals, and a mere 0.3% fat. It's not just a leftover from cheese making, it's a powerhouse ingredient for nutritional supplements and a key player in the fight against diseases like cancer. With protein making up to 10% of its total dry solids, whey is a muscle-building champion. The journey from milk to whey begins with coagulation. Add an edible acid or rennet to milk, and voila, the curds separate from the whey. This sour liquid, with a pH of 5.1 or less, is more than just a tangy drink. It's a complex solution ripe for transformation into various whey protein products. Whey proteins come in three main forms: isolate, concentrate, and hydrolysate. Isolates boast a protein content of over 90%, making them a clear choice for those seeking purity. Concentrates, with around 80% protein, offer a balance of nutrition and affordability. Hydrolysates, meanwhile, are pre-digested proteins that promise rapid absorption, perfect for quick muscle recovery. The manufacturing dance of whey proteins is intricate. It starts with pasteurization, ensuring the milk is safe and ready for processing. Enzymes like chymosin then step in to curdle the milk, setting the stage for ultrafiltration and microfiltration, which refine the whey into high-protein, low-fat isolates. Hydrolysis further breaks down the proteins, easing digestion. Finally, spray drying locks in the protein without denaturing it, and rigorous quality control ensures that what you get is nothing short of the best. From a humble byproduct to a nutritional dynamo, whey protein in its various forms, isolate, concentrate, and hydrolysate, has secured its place in our diets. Through the marvels of manufacturing, milk is transformed into supplements that not only build muscle, but also bolster our overall health. Whey protein. It's not just a part of your shake, it's a part of your strength.